Hi friends, welcome back to my channel A Mommy and Baby. Today it's going to be a little different. We are going to proceed in English and also it's a small try. Maybe we could proceed in a further videos also. And today what we going to see? It's nothing but we are going to make a rainy day out look. It's just my kind of look, how I carry out myself in rainy days. Hope it will be useful and it will be much improvised also. So I would like to know in the comments how it is beneficial for you. Come, let's get into the video. So rainy days are on the go and skin moisturization is much more important. So we are starting with the moisturizer. I am using it's the Faces Canada 6 in 1 Skin Miracle Facial Oil. It's just my choice and it depends on you whether you can use it or not. Any type of moisturizer that suits your skin will be helpful for our makeup look. Every time the moisturizer is much more important to protect our skin from other rays. Also, this helps our skin to maintain it soft and supple. So nourishment to the skin helps by using the moisturizer. So let's see what all the steps I follow here. And I'm starting here with the moisturizer, that is the facial oil. I'm just taking few drops of the oil. It's only the 4 drops to the max. Just rubbing it and apply. This helps my skin to give nourishment as well as I would like it to give a glow, and that is achieved by using this here. For lip moisturizer, I am using the lip balm. I am using the Nykaa Skin Genius BB Cream here. You can use anything of your sort, and this layer up my moisturizer, that is my Faces Canada oil, very well. So I am using this. Even you can say the step is to be optional since many of us don't use BB creams, CC creams and foundations in day to day, so it's completely optional. I am just adding this amount of cream, and especially in my problematic area. And it will be really hard for me to make the foundation or the base product to even out. See, that's it. You could see the glow also in my skin. Easily blends. You could use any product. And to set my base, I am using my all-time favorite. Yes, it's a Fit Me compact powder. It already hit the pan. I'm just using to set my base. I'm not using the brush since the compact must make my base product to fit. If I use the brush, it won't be that much comfortable. Usually I use a brow pencil. Just clean my brows. First, I don't prefer using the brow product. I directly use the eyeliner always. You could see the difference very well now. I don't use eyeliner usually in my lower lid. I use only in the upper lid always. And just letting it to settle down. Meanwhile, you can see the glow in my face. It is a glow. It looks like a glow from within. For eyeliner, I used the Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner, which is like more economical. And next, let's get into favorite part, Kajal. Actually, the eye pops out. I have used the Faces Canada Kajal. And this is look pretty simple. I am going to top off my lip with a lipstick. You can end the step whichever you feel it's comfortable and omit the other steps. That's it, our look is ready for the day. And thus, our new look is ready, and this is the new rainy day out look. I would always like to pair it up with a small bindi, and that's what I did today too. Okay friends, if you do like my video, please click the like button, click share, share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in my next video.